Guys, today I'll show you in slow motion what will happen if I shoot a row 5 lighters with an air rifle. Some ideas from my last video comments. I will definitely do this. I have this video, but only with the watermelons. Well, I'll see how many Legos I have. I'll put fire next to it, you'll see why. And let's do this. Well, the first shot. Holy smoke! Okay, let's do it again, but with another pellet. Jeez, that was loud! Let's continue, cause I really like it. Well, the last for today. Here are 15 lighters. Must be really epic. Ready, guys? Time to clean everything up here. And as the last time, I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments. So be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.